This is Kinza.
And I'm an unconventional Pakistani woman.
26-year-old Kinza, whose name translates to Treasure of Heaven in Arabic, has already been to 30 countries because her father works in the foreign ministry.
I've lived in Hong Kong, Lebanon, Egypt, Brazil, Germany, and now the Czech Republic.
She realizes that it's a privilege to be able to travel so much at a young age, but what's admirable about her is that she always keeps a strong connection to Pakistan and pushes herself to do things differently. When she was 18, she left her family behind to study mass communication in Islamabad.
And that's when I really fell deeply in love with my country.
And then after 4 years, she went to Germany to get her master's in media.
Janina Unselt, herzlichen Glückwunsch.
Kinza can speak 5 languages.
In order of fluency, I can speak Urdu, English, Portuguese, German, and Arabic.
And she really enjoys traveling to some countries that are not so frequently visited, like Syria.
It's one of the most memorable trips that I've had so far. I remember the bazaars there, the people were so hospitable, and I specifically remember when I went to see Cain and Abel. So they're buried over there. It's a bit further away from Damascus. We had to take a special trip there.
A lot of Pakistanis I've met who grew up in foreign countries do not return back home. They find it easy to adapt to the country that they are living in. But despite this crazy life, traveling all over the world and having so many experiences, Kinza plans to return back home because she loves Pakistan.
It just feels like home. And there is no other feeling that can replace that. The people there, the food there, just this environment where you feel like you belong and you're accepted.
Her dream is to start a business to inspire the younger generation to step out of their comfort zone and empower women that they can achieve whatever they desire. Because as she tells me,
nothing should stop you from chasing your dreams and being who you want to be in this world.
And what do you think that Pakistan has such a bad reputation, especially for Americans?
Yeah.
Are you aware that people think Pakistan's a very scary place?
Yeah, I mean, as a child in Brazil, I have had a couple of stories where people asked me if we carried guns in the school bus, or people were being nicer to us while we were playing soccer, football, for people who say football, because they thought we were refugees from Pakistan, so they let us score the goals a little bit more. They said, you can score the goal because you come from Pakistan, you know? Yeah, we had to change that perception quite a lot, and I would like to thank you for doing that with the help of your videos, so thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.